Let's bring in our own economist here, our chief Asia economist Chang Shu, with, well, her take on the market, and I think I know what you're going to say, and where you think growth will be or won't be. Let's put it that way.
Yeah, I think our view has moved in the opposite direction of the survey you just talked about. Our central projection has always been above 5%, and the latest reading suggests that the probability of undershooting 5% is lower compared to July reading. We have our own GDP tracker. We see that the economy is tracking 5.3% growth in the third quarter, and that reading is already higher than July. And if we talk about the growth for the year as a whole, we see the probability of undershooting 5% has fallen below 20%. So previously, we say perhaps it's 1/3 of the chance of undershooting.
Chang Shu, are we really blaming property for all this? Is that the central kind of risk, as it were? Because the other data has not been great either, let's face it, but it has perhaps arguably bottomed out.
Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of downward pressures, and certainly the property market is the biggest, if not kind of sort of extended. There are certainly pressures, as you alluded to. There are pressures coming from elsewhere. You know, the tourism, it was very hot during the summer, providing quite strong support for the economy. There will be some support coming from the long holiday next week, but it won't be as strong as during the summer, right? Then exports is not especially brilliant, but property market is really at the core of the issue, and underlying that is pretty weak sentiment.
So, I mean, there's structural issues and a structural shift taking place. So it's a longer term, what's the take?
For the longer term, we recently updated our forecast, and it's not particularly optimistic. We see, because of the issues, demographic and property drag, and intensifying geopolitical risks, we downgraded our long-term forecast to 4.1% in the decade. In China, growth is projected to slow down to 4.1% in a decade. So it's concerning, yeah.